Hey you guys! So today I'll be sharing with you guys 5 fun rhinestone placement ideas. Since I personally struggled with ideas for rhinestones, and after getting inspo from many nail techs and nail artists in the Makartt community, I wanted to share some of my favorite patterns which can hopefully help someone else out there. These rhinestones are from the YNLxNataliCarmona box, and today I'm using the gel polish color in Ginger, which is also available in our January box. I'm a huge fan of this box because it includes all the staples that I can wear all year round, so I'm really excited to show you guys what I came up with. First off, I want to say how gorgeous this color is. Natalie Carmona actually curated this box in collaboration with Makartt, and my gosh, this color is everything. It looks so good against AB rhinestones, and you can wear it glossy or matte. I start by doing 2 coats of gel polish on my nails, and I cured in between each layer. Now, I did happen to mess up a little bit, so I'm using this kind of cleanup brush to clean up the edges of my nail and just make sure that I don't have any weird bleed outs. This cleanup brush was included in our October box, I believe, and I've had this brush for months now, and it's so useful. After I top coat everything and cure, I got my handy dandy rhinestone glue from Makartt. This rhinestone glue is really handy to have on hand if you love nail decorations. For the first look, I'm using the Raindrop Rhinestone from Natalie's box. Raindrop Rhinestones is one of my absolute favorite shapes, and I'm going to place that down near my nail bed. Then carefully, I'm going to add some more rhinestone glue around the edge, and then I'm going to do an outline with the smaller rhinestones from this kit. To make things easier, I would suggest that you place the rhinestone down first, cure it for 30 seconds, and then move on to the smaller rhinestones. This is just so that when you're placing your outline down, you don't accidentally knock into the middle where your raindrop rhinestone is and knock it off center. By the way, definitely get yourself a wax pen. It literally is so much easier to pick up these rhinestones. I love doing outlines on larger rhinestones. I think it looks so cute. Okay, so for the second style, you'll need these S-shaped stones from Natalie's box. It's super thin and sleek, so picking it up with a pair of thin tweezers will be fairly easy. This pattern is very simple. Start with a small rhinestone at your cuticle tip and alternate between the S stone and the small rhinestones all the way to the tip of the nail. You may need to measure it out a bit. You can always do 2 rhinestones with 1 S curve if you wanted to. This third pattern is super quick. Do a thin line with your rhinestones to the center of the nail. Don't worry if your rhinestone line isn't super straight. Take a tweezer and squeeze and they'll all line up. Then add some more glue around the last rhinestone and place an outline of rhinestones around it to make it look almost like a dangling flower. The fourth pattern is a bit chunkier, so if you love extra nails, this is for you. You'll need the heart rhinestone as well as the diamond stone for this. Pop them onto the nail and have the edges touching each other. Then, after you cure it in your lamp, dot 2 more dots with the glue on the edge and place down 2 more small rhinestones on each side. I love this pattern. I think it looks super, super simple, yet so extra. The last one is a fan favorite, cuticle bling. To be absolutely honest, I do cuticle bling all the time because it hides away any mistakes that I have made near the cuticle area and still shows off the nails really well. Just do a simple U shape with the smaller rhinestones near your cuticle area and you're all good to go. Once you're done with all your rhinestones, don't forget to top coat. General rule of thumb here, try not to top coat directly onto the rhinestone. I tend to go around it just so that I can still keep my nails pretty, shiny, but I don't actually do it directly on the stones itself. Let me know which pattern is your favorite. Comment below and let us know if you found your signature rhinestone pattern.